Hello everyone, this is Chandan Bulani and I was searching for a decent smartphone for my day-to-day usage. So I got myself this OPPO A54 smartphone and it's quite impressive. Let's get straight to it. The phone flaunts a marvelous design with its punch-hole display and side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The OPPO A54 boasts of a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor. Additionally, the phone has 4GB of RAM. Hence, it delivers a top-notch performance even while engaging in heavy tasks. On the display front, the phone is equipped with a 6.51-inch HD Plus screen which delivers a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. It also has a screen-to-body ratio of 89.2%. The phone has an internal memory of 128GB. However, through a dedicated memory card slot, the memory can be expanded up to 256GB. For the camera features, the phone owns a 13-megapixel quad camera setup with a 13-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel bokeh lens. It also has a 16-megapixel front camera for clicking selfies. The AI selfie mode ensures some gorgeous photos. The phone takes its power from a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery which is charged from an 18 watts fast charger. The battery easily lasts a day after a single full charge. The phone is available in 3 color variants: Crystal Black, Moonlight Gold and Starry Blue, and is available with different storage capacities as well. The OPPO A54 smartphone is an extremely handy device with some great camera features and everyday usability.
Presenting the OPPO A54 has a sleek body and it features punch-hole display for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading e-books. It is available in Starry Blue, Moonlight Gold and Crystal Black color. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 4GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. OPPO A54 has a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with an 89.2% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a side fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. OPPO A54 features a 13-megapixel quad-rear camera and a 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10.0 operating system with MediaTek Helio P35 GPU IMG GE8320 at the rate 680 MHz and powerful 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 18 watts fast charging technology. The box includes phone, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide, safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy.
Hey guys, today I have with me the OPPO A54. The smartphone offers a 6.51-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 270 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. OPPO A54 has a bezel-less punch-hole display. On the right spine, you will find the power button works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker and SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OPPO A54 comes with a triple camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO A54 comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. OPPO A54 offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by an 18-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 13 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 13 megapixel primary camera supported by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera. The software version of the OPPO A54 is Android 10 with Color OS. So guys, that's it for OPPO A54. Thank you so much for watching this video.